What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video today. Today we are going to be trying to put the motor into the car. I did bring my cherry picker home, or the shop's cherry picker, and we're going to be trying fitting the motor in. There's some small things we got to do before we actually put it in, but the engine bay came out really good, and so now we can actually put in the motor. So there's a lot to do, so let's get started. I picked up some BCs for dumb cheap, for like a couple $100. So yeah, I got some BCs for dumb cheap, for like full camber plates, everything. So super excited about that. So I have the JB Racing lightweight flywheel, and then a Lux stock clutch kit. So we're gonna be putting that on right now. Alright, so I understand it now. So for the lightweight flywheel by JB, they essentially want you to put this ring on in front of it, so that when you, here's the flywheel, so you use this ring and then you gradually just pull the flywheel onto the crankshaft. Alright, I gotta go to Harbor Freight. I need a torque wrench. I took mine to work since I have like my whole box there now. So yeah. If you're wondering if I'm an inside track member at Harbor Freight, yes I am. Alright, let's get this shit torqued. Alright, I had to get some help by Tiara. She came in helped me out put the tranny on, but we got it on, so now we're just gonna tighten up the bolts. Sorry I didn't record that part, it was a bitch, so. Guys, this is fucking sick, dude. Let's get real quick. I've been working on this car like non-stop, and it's just been an idea, literally, and just like getting parts, just money, just buying parts and not being able to do anything with them. And then for just one night for this to happen, it's just crazy. Like, your idea just comes to life. It's so crazy. Like, there's some good clearance. This is where I hit coming in, but I should be able to clean it up. Maybe just like paint over it a little bit. That side's all good. Like, literally, guys, there's slack in the chain. It's all in that. Alright, guys, so the motor's in. I mean, it's in. Just can't believe, like, after all this, the motor's finally in. So now we can actually start making some real progress. But check this out. So again, I just want to say, like, thank you guys so much for the support on these videos. They really do help, like, me come out here and actually work on the car and want to get this done, because it seems like a lot of people are actually really interested in this build. So again, if you guys like the video, make sure to hit that like button. Actually, I'm not asking, I'm fucking telling you, hit that fucking like button for this fucking swap. I deserve it. Hit that subscribe button as well so you can stay tuned for all the other videos for this swap. I appreciate all you guys that watch my videos, and to the next one, on to wiring, on to cooling, on to getting everything made. So cool, see you guys next one.